If you've accidentally deleted messages or files from OneDrive, you may be able to recover them using the following steps. This guide will help you restore your lost data. Step 1. Access OneDrive. Open your web browser and go to the OneDrive website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials to access your files. Step 2. Navigate to the Recycle bin. Once logged in, look for the Recycle bin option on the left sidebar. Click on it to view all the items that have been deleted recently. Step 3. Select Deleted Messages. In the Recycle bin, browse through the list of deleted items. Locate the messages or files you want to recover. You can select multiple items if needed. Step 4. Restore selected items. After selecting the messages, look for the Restore button at the top of the page. Click on it to recover the selected items back to their original location in OneDrive. Step 5. Check your OneDrive. Once the restoration process is complete, navigate back to your OneDrive files to ensure that the deleted messages have been successfully recovered. By following these steps, you should be able to recover any deleted messages from OneDrive. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.